Magnic Technologies was founded with one vision: building intelligent machines for a better world. Powered by expert engineers across mechanical, electrical, electronics, and software domains, we design and develop machines built to perform. For decades, Magnic Technologies proudly introduces the world's first robotic studio, EasyClick X1 and X3, designed with intelligent automation to deliver unmatched precision in photography and videography. The machine has lighting inside dual sliding doors for easy access. The entire machine features a 15-channel lighting system fully integrated with the software for effortless control, including 2 key lights, 2 rim lights, 3 fill lights, 2 turntable lights, 2 focus lamps, and dual door lights in 2 segments, all delivering 95 plus CRI for exceptional color accuracy in photography and videography. With both warm and cool light options, you can create custom templates for lighting, robotic sliders, and camera controls all in one touch. The robotic sliders move flawlessly, making high-volume photography faster, easier, and more efficient. The machine features a bottom turntable fully integrated with the software, allowing you to control speed and switch between clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. A built-in laser centering guide helps you place the product perfectly, ensuring precise and smooth rotation every time. The top turntable is also fully integrated with the software, giving you complete control over speed and direction, with both clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation, delivering smooth, precise movement for flawless product shots. The robotic slider features advanced 3-axis movement, horizontal, vertical, and tilt, giving you complete freedom of motion. Every movement is controlled through the software, with precise degree-by-degree accuracy. This allows you to create smooth, repeatable camera paths, ensuring consistent results and perfect shots every time. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the software delivers world-class high-accuracy background removal instantly as the photo is captured. Using advanced photo stacking, it combines multiple focus points to keep every part of the product perfectly sharp, resulting in crystal clear images with no blur and flawless detail from edge to edge. The software enables seamless 360-degree cinematic dolly videos in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Combined with the slider's 3-axis movement, it delivers smooth, dynamic shots ideal for e-commerce and jewelry products. You can also create and set up creative scenes inside the machine to capture high-quality, eye-catching shots perfect for social media content and website visuals. Save time, save space, save effort. One powerful studio, no clutter, no compromises.